Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add a new admin to your WhatsApp community. If you manage a community and want to share administrative responsibilities or keep things better organized, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need. Quick, simple, and up to date. Before we begin, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your phone. Updates often include small design changes that keep everything running smoothly, so it's always a good idea to stay current. Let's get it started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once it loads, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the Communities tab. This is where all your community-related activity is grouped into one space, making it easy to manage multiple groups under one umbrella. Next, select the community where you'd like to add a new admin. You'll see your community's name, its groups, and important details all together in one place. In the upper right corner, tap on the three dots to open more options. From the drop-down menu, select Community Info. This will take you to the main page where you can view community details and manage members. Now, scroll down to the Community Members section. Here, you'll find a list of everyone who's part of that community. Find the person you want to make an admin and tap on their name. A short menu will appear with several options. Select Make Admin. Finally, tap OK to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully added a new admin to your WhatsApp community. The new admin will now have access to the same management tools you do, allowing them to help moderate groups, manage members, and keep things running smoothly. If you ever change your mind or want to assign different roles, you can follow the same steps to remove or add admins as needed. Thanks for watching.